When you're using Google Forms, you're signed in using your Google account. So what happens is that you can directly access out images from your Google Drive as well and insert them onto your Google Forms. So to do that, I already have a form opened up. So I'm going to click on the image button right here. And on the top, you can see Google Drive is an option over here. So once you go to Google Drive, you can access the photos shared with you right here. You can see recent things right here and choose out a photo that you want to insert from your Google Drive that you see right here and click on insert. So once you do that, what happens is that the image will be inserted inside of your forms, as you can see right here, and you can do the same with your individual choices over here as well. So let me just go to Google Drive right here and choose an image right here, click on insert, and let me do the same for another option over here as well. Choose another image, click on insert, and then you have your images inserted inside of your Google Drive, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can add images from Google Drive inside of Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.